Hi guys, this is Krishna Stana Cat Diaries. Welcome back to my channel. Now today's episode is all about wellness. These are tips and tricks I've learned over the years that keep me feeling my best. So if you're somebody who's wanting to elevate your wellness game, then keep watching. So one of the most useful tips I've learned over the years is to plan ahead. Always the evening prior, I've already set the entire tone and a plan for the next day. And when I feel organized, I also feel like my mind feels at rest and not stressed. So one of the things I do to keep myself ahead of the curve is that on a Sunday I start planning my entire week. This would mean my meal plans, my gym, my work schedule, everything is planned ahead. This keeps me super organized and stress-free. Another thing that I do every day before I get up and literally my feet hit the floor is I say a little bit of an affirmation that sets the mood and the tone for it. So before I do my makeup, I always use an ice roller on my face. Now what this does is depuffs my face. It also helps with the lymphatic drainage. It gives you like a massage and feels very, very luxurious, also extremely calming. Sometimes I even do this at night when I feel like I've had a very long day. I will use the ice roller just on my eyes to calm myself down. So besides using the ice roller, the makeup artist has given me a tip which has really helped. That in between a very long day or shoot day where I've applied makeup for long hours, where they have applied and reapplied makeup. So one of the best tips for a face to look rejuvenated and not tired is to dunk your head into a bowl of ice cold water. Another thing that I use regularly is eye masks. Now these again, I use them before I start my makeup. It keeps my under eye area extremely hydrated. So as I've aged, I've realized with mature skin comes extra dryness. And to combat that, I also use an eye pack right before doing any makeup. Ever wondered how you could make yourself smell good all day long? Then this is your tip. You start by taking care of yourself in the bath. So you start with an exfoliator in the bath. Follow that up with a shower gel. Then lock everything in with an after bath oil. And then after that, top it up with a moisturizer. Then apply your fragrance on your pulse points. This will leave you feeling absolutely luxurious and smelling like a dream all day long. Hydration is the key for everything, your skin, your hair, and your body. One of the things that are very important and extremely essential is that you intake a certain amount of water per day. So for me, it is anything between 1.5 to 2 liters. I absolutely swear by this. Always have a bottle with me wherever I go. So besides obviously taking water with you to gym or when you work out, I also carry my bottle from room to room, or when I go out in the car or even for a shoot day, my water always comes along with me. This ensures I never skip on drinking water. There are apps that you can install on your phone which will keep your water intake in check and keep you hydrated all day long. Also, I've come across some websites that help you calculate the water that your body needs based off your weight and your lifestyle. And making those as well, so definitely check those out. Hydration is not only important for your body, but it's extremely important even for your skin on your face. Now, the way I keep my skin on my face hydrated is by having a regimented skincare routine day and night. In the day before I start any makeup, I always have an extremely hydrated face because the only way that your makeup will last all day long and also look flawless is if your face is hydrated. So the steps to my AM routine is the micellar water cleanser. Follow that up with the vitamin C. Next comes a moisturizer, then an eye cream or an eye serum, and then follow that up with a sunscreen, which is absolutely non-negotiable. This is something that will help you look younger, longer. So my PM routine is where there are more actives involved. I always start with a double cleanser, follow that up with a toner, then comes my essence, then comes my retinol, which is so important because it helps with the fine lines, wrinkles, and then lock everything in with a good moisturizer, which can be slightly heavier because it's in the night and you need more hydration, and that is my PM routine. I also have an extremely regimented hair care routine. Now, something that I do regularly is at least once a week hair oil. Follow that up with a hair mask. This is something that I make at home myself. It is basically Ola-3 mixed with any serum, hair serum that you have, and mask your hair, leave it on for 20 minutes before a hair wash. If you're in a rush, then you can literally do a sleeve back on that day and go out with the hair mask. When you wash your hair, you will see that you will have an extremely soft, smooth, silky. Something that I love to wear in my room is with cinnamon tea. Now, what this causes is helps me calm down, unwind, and relax. So I watch my Netflix or I read a book, and then I have my cinnamon tea. Now, this also has properties that helps you with sugar cravings. I'm somebody who has huge sugar cravings, and this definitely has helped me. So if you're one of those like me, then definitely try this out. So those are my top wellness secrets. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up for me. Tap on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications. Don't forget to subscribe if you have wellness hacks and tips, and I would love to learn from you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me for more.